And today we're going to be checking out this folding cleaver. That's right, this is a big heavy knife that's great for chopping, cutting, slashing, and even dicing because it's super sharp with a forged blade. But before I say too much more, let's go ahead and point the camera down. We're going to take a closer look at it, and then we're actually going to cut some stuff up. So let's get into it. All right, so here's the knife, how it comes. Check this out. You can see it comes in a nice carrying pouch with a belt loop on it, so you can carry this on your belt or attach it to your backpack if you go camping. You can also use this for barbecues. You can use it for the kitchen and just fold it and store it away. And it's a very convenient design. But let's quit talking about it and start looking at it. And check out this knife right here. You can see that it's got the rough finish from the forge on the blade. It's got this nice wood handle with a little hanging hole in the handle right there. Very cool. And let's go ahead and open it up and check out this blade right here. Now it does not lock. There is not a mechanism that you need to push to release to get it to go back, but it is quite hard. You can hear it snapping into that position. So if you're chopping and cutting, it's not going to fold down on you. The blade feels quite sharp to me, but I think the best way to actually test this out and try this out is we're going to chop up some of these veggies right here. We're cooking a roast tonight, so we need a few extra veggies, and we're going to see how it works. No, I'm not a professional chef. I'm not a professional anything. But you can see how well this is cutting celery. And I know celery's easy. That's what the carrots are for. But it made short work of those. And it smells so good. Let's slide this over. We'll try some of these carrots here. As you can hear, it goes straight through them like they're nothing. And look at those tiny little slices there. Try two at once. Some big fat carrots. No problem whatsoever. And then say if you need to bell pepper, we'll go ahead and we'll cut the end off of this. And just however you want to cut this up. The blade's big enough. Cut nice big slices. And overall, this knife handles very, very well. Now, it is geared more towards outdoor cooking and barbecues. If you're going fishing or camping, or put it in your RV because of the nice compact design. But I'm going to be using this in my kitchen because just how sharp it is and how convenient it is. Now the total length is 11.8 inches. The blade itself is 6.2 inches. And when it's closed, the length is 7.1 inches. And it weighs 3/4 of a pound, 0.76. It's rust resistant, corrosion resistant. It's forged with a super hard blade, which is going to give you a super long life. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.